The first thing we want parents to do if their child becomes exposed to anything at the home that might be potentially toxic is to call us at the Poison Center. Many parents call 911 first, but then 911 routes them to us. So it saves time and can add to the positive outcome of the situation if they just call us immediately. One of the challenges that we face sometimes is that parents feel that if they call us about their child being exposed to something, it means that they're a bad parent. We want people to understand that that's not the case. Children are inquisitive and they move fast. And it's very typical that they're going to get into something. Over 50% of children need the services of a poison control center before they're age 6. So we want parents to understand that there's no shame in calling us. It's all about keeping children safe. Anything can be potentially hazardous depending on the amount that they're exposed to. The most common things that we get called about are household cleaning products, automotive products, and the fastest growing area of exposures, but for both children and adults, are prescription medications. I would say the majority of our calls do come from exposures to medications, either unintentional or intentional. One of the things we want people to understand is that we really don't recommend vomiting in virtually any situation at home. There are many conditions where vomiting could make the situation worse, and you could actually injure someone by causing them to vomit. So we want them to call us first for the best type of immediate first aid information. If anything happens that causes you concern at home, don't check the internet, don't call your friend, call the Poison Control Center, 1-800-222-1222. We have qualified medical professionals standing ready 24 hours a day, 365 days a year to help you and to keep you and your family as safe as possible.